So hello friends, I'm Tech Baby back with another video here, and in this video I will tell you how you can download any picture, any video, any reels from Instagram for free. So just open your Instagram and let's select like go to the post you want to download, and here you will see this three dot, and here you see this link button. Click and this link will be copied. Now go to your browser and search for Instagram downloader. Here you will see this. Go to any link. Just go to this website igram.io and paste here. Now click on download button and wait a little bit. Here you can see this is the video. Now you can download this. Here you can see the downloading is started.